Hello, beautiful people. Here we are in Hungary again. And I'm here with beautiful people. They were listening to We Were the Twin Flames and My Soul is in Love with You. And they are awesome. I felt home with you. Home with you. And we were the twin flames, your heart burned out. I'm already starting with my friend, the Gypsy King from Hungary.
Hello, my name is Orsos József.
And he's awesome. So we're already starting here to make the kitchen a better place. And yeah, as you can see, repairing it always begins with breaking down. And we're gonna make it so beautiful. I got the most awesome neighbors, and that's for real. They already brought me a whole dish, totally full with this kind of beautiful yum 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 yum. And now they bring this. Oh man, and it was already too much, and I ate them all in once because it was so nice. So yeah, this is why I bought it here, because of these beautiful people.